We're here today, the captain of the winning team. It seems like we say that every single time KC plays. Kingston College. Speak to us about your team's performance today, captain.
Well, started the game up slouchy, but picked it up in the latter part of the first half and coming more back going in the second half and to display shall because they seemed a bit tired, so we use that as our advantage. So yeah.
Alright, a resounding quarter-final win. It seems like Kingston College always managed to pull out these high-scoring games in the quarter-finals. How do you guys keep beating teams by such big margins?
This team is a team that creates a lot of chances, so it's just on the day, come out and finish the chances. The score can be any amount of number for any team.
Alright, you again, another clean sheet performance. You know, you came off early in the game. You're used to playing 90 minutes. How does it feel to be subbed out early today?
No, it was actually me that requested it because bearing in mind Mona Saturday and Saturday guy played full 90 and every other game before that, so I felt a bit leggy, so yeah.
Alright, and that's a perfect segue to Mona on the weekend. The biggest game of the group, you know, the top of the table clash. Yeah. How do you think Kingston College will fare facing against such a formidable opponent?
Well, we're going to try our best. Craig has a good team and I feel we can give it our all to beat them because the team creates chances on any team. So once we come out on the day and face the chances and also keep the defensive shape, we'll be good.
And lastly, the man of the match, Mattis, managing to get two beautiful goals today, you know. Speak to us about his individual performance.
Well, Mattis played very good, but I felt Shakes outshine him today.
Yeah, Shakes was very good again.
For me, he outshined him today.
Alright, there you go, people. You have it. Thank you for talking to us, Captain.
All right,
congratulations.
Good.